All right, time for some birthdays on this stormy Tuesday morning in the 4 states. And we begin in Carthage with Amelia Biddick celebrating birthday number 7. Happy birthday, Amelia.
And Anna and Ashley Lavelle are turning 20 years old this year. They are in Frontenac.
And we've got Barbara Ribick turning 78 in Chanute. Barbara, very happy birthday to you.
And if Barbara is turning 78, that means Tiffany is celebrating a birthday as well in Chanute. Tiffany is 41 years old this year.
And we've got Blake Brocob celebrating birthday number 14 in Girard. Blake, a very happy birthday to you.
And in Columbus, Bryce Davis celebrating birthday number 21 this year.
And we've got Jacob Greer in Joplin celebrating birthday number 14 with his cute little friend there. Jacob, a very happy birthday to you.
All right, Jacob Bowles celebrating another year wiser. Jacob is in Columbus.
And we've got Caitlin Wixon celebrating birthday number 33 in Baxter Springs. Caitlin, happy birthday.
In Sheldon, Missouri, Kathy Claflin Ashworth celebrating birthday number 61 this year.
And we've got Corey and Cody Johnson, a pair of twins in Frontenac, celebrating their 16th birthday. Very happy birthday to Corey and Cody.
All right. Michael Olson celebrating birthday number 69 this year. Hope it's a great one for you, Michael, in Buffalo, Kansas.
And we continue our list with Christy York celebrating in Lawton, Emily Porter turning 30 over in Pittsburgh, and John Duggan celebrating birthday number 79. Happy birthday to all of you. And of course, like I said before, we like to see this list grow, and Tanya's going to tell you how you can do it.
That's right. All you have to do is email us your pictures to birthdayswithan@KOAMTV.com, or you can send them to birthdays@KOAMNewsNow.com. Both of those emails work. You can still use the Postal Service and send them to us by mail, but give us plenty of time for that. And please note that any birthdays submitted after 3 o'clock on Monday through Thursday, it's not going to make it for the next day. So give us at least 24 hours advance notice so we can get your birthdays prepared and make them look real nice for you.
Absolutely. And you know what? If you're the one celebrating the birthday, you need to make sure you head over to our website and take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get some great deals from local businesses, and you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. All you need to do is go to KOAMNewsNow.com, click on Mornings, and sign up for the Birthday Club today. All right, we are